We have one more company for you guys, kind of a bit of a last-minute addition. A company we actually recently invested in, as well as Cobalt. We're quite excited for this company, really doing some pretty impressive stuff. So, let's finish strong here. Looking forward to it with everybody. All right, Ople.ai, welcome to the stage.
Thanks, Hutch. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Julian Tandler. I run sales and business development for Ople. Actually, I really am sales and business development and Ople since we founded the company last March. At any rate, really excited to be here today. At Ople, we use AI to build AI. Simply put, our software models the behavior, experience, and unique capabilities of the world's most elite data scientists and puts that into the hands of your team, enabling your team to deliver superior performing AI models in minutes to hours or days, as opposed to the months that we're seeing that take out in the market right now. What that means to you in insurance is, number one, time to value. You can figure problems out faster. You can get those risk assessments done quicker. More confident decisions. If your risk assessments have greater confidence behind them, you do better asset allocation. And then lastly, access. Making AI accessible to the entire company so that anybody from any group that has an idea can start to go to that data science team, or in your case, maybe it's actuaries as well, and get results. As we look at the technical revolutions that have happened over time, there's one thing that they all have in common, and that is before each of these, and maybe some of you can think of yourself, before they've changed society, before they've impacted the way we behave and operate, they needed to become easy, cheap, and ubiquitous. At Ople, our mission is to be the driver of that transformation for AI within every industry. We're talking about insurance today, but we've created a horizontal platform that can be applied just like a good data science can move from one industry to another. So let's talk about the data science world. Where am I? Without Ople. Thank you. Right now, your data scientists and your actuaries, their job is to listen to your business problems and come up with a strategic problem formulation or a mathematically solvable hypothesis. They then gather the data, format it, and they begin the model building process. That model building process, that journey from inception to realization, is one of the long poles in the tent in this process. And that's what slows this down. Whereas you can't get an answer to whether or not you formulated your problem correctly, whether or not you have the right data until that model is completed months later. With Ople, we accelerate that process from months to just a few days. And the way we're able to do that is we have developed a proprietary algorithm called behavioral assimilation, we like to call it BASE for short, that learns from all of the benchmark models that our system builds using the publicly available algorithms out there. It learns the best behaviors and then builds a superior model. And a superior model that's delivered via a very lightweight model that can be accessed through an endpoint or downloaded via a weights file into your own system. Important to look at here is getting into production as well. I don't know how much you guys know about Kaggle. Google recently acquired them, but Allstate did a competition. We entered, and our system entered rather, and we came within 0.001% accuracy of the person that won. Difference between their solution and ours, theirs was a massive ensemble of algorithms that would take all the computing power that Amazon could provide to run. Ours, remember, only 0.001 less accuracy, was able to run on a laptop. The reason we're able to deliver such amazing performance is our team. If you look at Pedro, our founder and CEO, he has over a decade of experience as a data scientist in many, many different industries. The press puts him out there as one of the leaders in the space. Todd Hay, our COO, has nearly 3 decades of experience running divisions in large companies like Yahoo and IBM. Peter, our head of engineering, is a PhD astrophysicist and has an incredible amount of deep learning systems that he has developed. What I would like to leave you with today, and I'd like you to think about, is now that you can develop and deploy AI models in as few as minutes, hours, or days, depending on the complexity and size of the problem, how do you start to look at AI, data science, machine learning within your organizations? How do you plan differently? Can you go from 3 projects a year to 40 a year? That's the type of game changer that we are confident Ople can bring to your companies. And I would love to connect with you after this at cocktails to talk about the ideas that you might come up with and the different thoughts you have on how you can embrace this new technological revolution in a way that can really empower your businesses. Thank you. Any questions?
Last chance.
Getting off easy.